Thanks to the attention and guidance of all levels of party committee, authorities, and people's contribution, in 2020, Thốt Nốt district has successfully accomplished and exceeded the target for traffic road construction. With the motto of the state and people join hands, Thốt Nốt district has built 22 traffic routes with a width from 4 to 5 meters, total length of 12 meters, and construction funds of over 32.4 billion Vietnam dong. Besides, the authorities and localities have mobilized funds to build and repair many bridges, serving the needs of travel and trading. The transparency of construction tasks was ensured with strict supervisions from the people.